we're here again to discuss the technology world. This time, smartphones. How do you care about your smartphones? And what if you will be unsuccessful sometimes? This guide will show you how to get the water out of your smartphone without turning it into an expensive paperweight. Let's dive in. Step 1. Assess the situation. First things first, don't panic and take a deep breath. No one ever fixed the smartphone by a heart attack. Inspect your phone carefully. Is it misty just on the outside or on the inside too? If it's the latter, it turns into a sauna. If it's just the screen, a good vibe should work, but if it's internal, something bigger should be done. Step 2. Power down. Before you do anything else, power down your phone. Mist will be a lot less destructive when your phone is off. If your phone refuses to turn off, just keep holding that power button and wait for the screen to go black. It'll eventually give in. Step 3. The rice bowl resurrection. The classic rice trick. It's been around since people had no idea what a smartphone is. Fill a bowl with uncooked rice and let your phone rest in it. Leave it there for 24 to 48 hours. And do not bring it out just because you don't know what to do without your phone. We're not done yet, so before getting to the rest of the video, please like and share it with people who you think will need this instruction. Step 4. Silica Gel. If you don't trust classic ways, skip the rice and go for silica gel packets. They can be found in your new shoes with this saying, "Do not eat." Those things are gold for absorbing moisture. Bury your phone in as many of these packets as you can find. Step 5. Make it warm, but not too warm. After your phone has had its day off in rice or silica gel, it's time for some gentle warmth. Warm, not hot. Use a low temperature setting on a hairdryer or a sunny spot, and again, you don't want to bake it. Just let it get a little warm. This step is crucial. Don't mess it up. Step 6. Vacuum power, optional. For the adventurous, you can try to suck the moisture out with a vacuum. No, seriously. Seal your phone in a plastic bag with the vacuum nozzle and let it get the moisture out. It's like giving your phone a reverse deep clean. Just be gentle and avoid sucking up your phone case. You want to make it better, not worse. Step 7. The result. Now the time arrives. You would see if your phone survived or not. It's time to turn it back on and check if it leaves to swipe another day. Hold your breath, press the power button, and wait. If it lights up, congratulations! You've defeated the mist. If not, well, maybe it's time to consider buying a new one and forget about this one. Or you can give it a try and head to the nearest repair shop. Getting mist out of your smartphone needs patience, some common household items, being relaxed, and avoiding panic. You probably can rescue your device from that situation. Just remember, if all else fails, the next time your phone decides to take a dip, you've got the skills to save the day. Thank you for staying with us until the end of the video. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel to know more about the tech world. Stay tuned and have a great day.